Today's lecture contains inequality working rules at a glance. Then starting solution to question 1, question 2, question 4 and question 5. Linear inequality working rules. Rule 1. Adding or subtracting the same number or expression on both the sides does not change the sign of inequality. Rule 2. Multiplying or dividing both the sides by a non-zero positive number or expression does not change the sign of inequality. Rule 3. Multiplying or dividing both the sides by a negative number reverses the sign of inequality. Let us take the question number 1. Solve for 24x less than 100 when x is a natural number and when x is an integer. Let us see the solution. 24x less than 100. This implies we can divide both the sides by 24. Then x less than 100 by 24. X less than 25 by 6. Now, number 1, when x is a natural number, then we see that 4 can be taken and 3, 2, 1. X is equal to, you can give the set of 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the answer. And in second case, when it is an integer, x is equal to, give dot dot and comma. After that, write something. 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can show this is the set, okay? These are the answers. Question 2 is solve minus 12x greater than 30 when x is a natural number and x is an integer. See the solution to minus 12x greater than 30. Okay, then dividing by 12 minus x greater than 30 by 12 minus x greater than 5 by 2 minus x greater than 2.5. Okay, changing the sign, x will be less than minus 2.5. Okay, now we have to find the natural numbers less than minus 2.5, but there is no natural number, so there is no solution actually. 1. No solution for the inequality. So come to 2 now. When x is an integer, then we see that on the number line, if this is minus 2.5 and here minus 3. So if less than this amount, an integer, then it should be minus 3. Okay, that means for integers x is equal to, we can write like that. 3 and 4 are very similar, so I am taking the question 4. Question 4 is solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2 when x is an integer and x is a real number. Okay, solution 4. 3x plus 8 greater than 2. By subtracting minus 8 on both sides, we get 3x greater than minus 6. Dividing by 3, x greater than minus 6 by 3, x greater than minus 2. Okay, for integers, x can be given by the set minus 1, 0, after that 1, 2, 3 and so on. And then x greater than minus 2 for any real number. In that case, we can write x is equal to minus 2 to plus infinity. Okay, but here do not write like that because it will include all fraction and so on. Question 5. Solve 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7 for real x. 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. 4x plus 3, adding minus 7 on both sides. 5x plus 7 minus 7. Okay, so here 4x minus 4 less than 5x. Then 4x minus 5x less than plus 4. I am writing at a time, adding plus 4 on both the sides and bringing this 5x into this side. Okay, so minus x less than 4. Now changing the sign, x greater than minus 4. We are asked to solve this inequality for all real x. For real numbers, x is equal to minus 4 to infinity. Okay. Next we are starting some modified questions.